Hey family, hey, it is your sister, Angel.domingue Jackson. I'm so glad we are back. And this is a time I like to just sit and just share what's on my mind, what's going on in the garden. But family, a lot of you guys know I have joined a collab with a bunch of amazing women. We call it Gardentoursaturdays. And they also have another collab. It's called, you share your success that you're having in your garden and also the disasters. So we can learn from one to another and also celebrate to one to another. But I'm going to put the information in the description so you can go ahead and check out those channels. And please join the collab. All you have to do is show and just share what's going on in your garden. But today, I'm talking about the blueberry shrubs. You know, for the last couple of weeks, I've been, grabbing herbs and different, plants that I want to grow in my small garden. My garden is mostly predicated on what I can eat. I like eatables, oranges, apples, lemons, avocado, those types of things. I like to grow things I can eat, right? Strawberries. Well, I came across some blueberry shrubs. And family, before we get busy, make sure you get your greens, right? That's another beauty about having greens in the garden, things we can grow. We can also get it back in our system so we can stay healthy, right? So get your greens. But anyway, family, the last couple of weeks I've been going and checking out what's going on, in the Home Depot stores. I've been to Costco, some of the, garden acres, seeing what they have, right? And I've been coming across some blueberry shrubs. And people have been telling me, no, you can't eat those, you can't eat that. That's more for, ornamental, I'm like, what? I mean, I'm looking for something I can eat. So family, the question is, can you eat? These here are called the Sharpblue Blueberry, right? I've been seeing these at the store for a while, and every time I go, they're just full of blueberries. But for some reason, nobody's buying them because they think you can't eat them. Well, family, you can eat these, okay? I Googled it and I checked it, and they said they're delicious. So I grabbed these, blueberries, and people are saying, oh, you can't eat those. And I'm like, yes, you can. As a matter of fact, I pulled one off. Look at this one. Look at this one. We're gonna rub it a little bit and honey. Woo-hoo-hoo! That's delicious. Full. This plant is full of blueberries. It's just, look at this. All over the place. Ready to eat. Well, they're not all ready to eat, but it was funny because when I got out the store, I was talking to a friend of mine that was sitting outside, and she said, oh, that's nice. She goes, oh, can I have one of those? She's like me. We're all about, let's eat. So we sat there and we started eating because there was a whole bunch on the top that were ready to eat. Some other people came out and we're just sitting there eating the blueberries. But I thought, how funny that people actually believe you can't eat certain shrubs of blueberries that are just waiting for you to just chow down, right? But what was amazing, family, this beautiful Sharpblue Blueberry, I was looking at it because a lot of these have cool times, and blueberries need a lot of water. I mean, you gotta water them a lot. I mean, a lot. Some people say, every 2 days. Some people say every day. I would just stick your finger in there, and is it getting all the way through the plant, because they like to drink a lot of water, right? So, I was just wondering, has anybody else come across some of these beautiful blueberry shrubs that you felt like, oh, these aren't edible? I Googled the plant, and what was cool about it is when I was reading about this, not only the popularity of this particular brand, but how delicious it is. And guess what, family? I paid $19 for this, full of blueberries, right? That nobody wanted. I'm getting a lot of compliments on the way out of the store. I mean, people are stopping while I'm sitting there eating blueberries with my friend. And they're like, that's beautiful, that's nice. And they're just in awe, but it's in the store. But I should have bought 2 of them. I didn't know that they were that expensive. Because when I looked up in Google, they were like $70, $100 and something dollars. I mean, Google it. It's called Sharpblue Blueberry. And they were up $100 or more And if it was under 100, you're looking at 60, 70 bucks. And a lot of them were saying no longer available. So family, when you go out shopping for these plants, go ahead and Google some of these things. You know, I mean, this is like the third or fourth time I've seen these. And I remember when I was getting my, I think it was my beef tomatoes, there was a lady, an older woman, saying, "Oh, you can't eat these shrubs," and da da da. And you know, they were really into the plants, and I kind of said, okay, you know, because you know they seemed like they knew about their plants, you know. And I just started my little garden, and I decided, sorry about that, they were doing some work out there. I decided to, you know, start getting some things that I would like to have in my garden. But like I said, mine's like I have beautiful flowers and stuff I like in my indoor plants. Sometime I'll take you guys inside. We got some of my plants in the inside. You guys saw my beautiful plants in the front, my jades and my beautiful saga plant. Oh my God, that saga plant is doing amazing. If you can watch my recent video on how it's just blooming, oh my God, it's showing out, honey. That plant, and it says it takes 10 years to even start really. It's just amazing. This plant's just amazing. But anyway, back to the blueberry. Well, look at this. It's just full of blueberries, and it just loves. I have two other blueberries, different kinds, a pink lemonade and another one that hasn't bloomed yet, but they're back there doing well. They're thriving. I have my grapes out here. I moved them because they started just reaching all over the place, and my husband was like, "Are they supposed to be wrapped up here?" And I said, "Honey, no. I just put them to sit them there until I found a spot for them." But they started. You know, they start grabbing stuff, you know, the vines, they want to wrap around stuff, and oh my goodness. But anyway, these blueberries are not only up in price, but they're delicious. I'm telling you that. We ate about 10, 15 blueberries just sitting out there chit-chatting because they were on the top, they're ready to go. And people were just like, "Oh, can I try one? Can I try one?" I'm like, they're in the store. Nobody wants to eat them in the store. You know, come on, right? You got to try stuff out. But my thing is, in my garden, I want to pick up some really good things I can eat. You know, cherry tomatoes, avocados, peaches, plums, all those types of things. So family, if you guys, let me know, do you guys grow blueberries? What have you found in your garden? Do you notice it takes a lot of water as well? Do your blueberries like to be in direct sun? You know, is it a lot of cooling time? Let me know. I just want to share with you guys about some of these so-called shrubs that people are saying you cannot eat. Well, make sure you check because you may pass up out on a good deal. So family, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that like, smash that notification bell, and subscribe to your sister channel. And make sure you hit that notification, but hit all, so you can get all my notifications and I can get yours. All right, family? Love you guys, and thank you for watching.